Hey guys, short tutorial about these not safe for work checkers. We want to remove them because they are a pain in the ass. So here you have like harmless pictures of dwarven fighters, and it just removes like maybe a third of them. And I was trying to figure out how to remove this filter, and yeah, this is how you do it. Open up your Explorer, open up C colon users, and then your user. Then here you have an Invoke AI, like a configuration file. Open that up with Notepad. And here, under generation arguments, make a new row, and then you write this double dash no dash NSFW underscore checker. Save that, and then you're ready to go.